here is your latest African news. Algeria. Wildfires killed at least 32 people as blazes ravaged forests and villages east of the capital. Algeria's president announced that 32 people, including 25 soldiers, have been killed, saving residents from the wildfires ravaging forests and villages east of the capital, adding to the fire death toll this week in the North African nation. President Abdelmadjid Tebboune tweeted late on Tuesday that the soldiers saved 100 citizens from the blazes in two areas in the mountains Kabylie region, home of the Berbers. 4 other soldiers were seriously burned fighting the fires, and 7 others also had severe burns, the Ministry of National Defense has confirmed. At least 19 fires broke out in 14 provinces across the country. Enormous wildfires have continued to rage across parts of Europe and the United States in recent weeks. Thank you for watching. Visit our YouTube channel Tuna Cheki to watch our daily news reports and our website at tunacheki.tv for all the latest news updates. You can directly support this news series by becoming our YouTube member or becoming a patron. And remember, Africa is watching.